Hello, welcome back to Seetal MD, your haven for all things home decor and DIY art. I'm your host Seetal, and today we continue our journey through the realm of interior design and the art of creating your own masterpieces inspired by the likes of Anthropology and other celebrated decorators. In one of my previous videos, I did show you how you could create wall art from thrifted frames and how you can effortlessly, wow, this is a difficult word for me, how you can effortlessly redefine the ambience of any room by simply creating art that speaks to you. In this project, I had the wonderful opportunity to breathe new life into some leftover canvas paintings my kids created during their school holidays. Of course, I made sure to get their approval beforehand, and they were thrilled to see their artwork becoming a part of this new venture. To begin, I decided to repurpose these canvases by giving them a fresh, clean slate. Using some leftover white paint, I coated the canvases, providing the perfect base for this journey. While acrylic and water paint are typically used for such projects, I wanted to make the most of what I had in hand, so I mixed some leather acrylic paint with watercolor, achieving a unique and intriguing combination of hues. The leather acrylic paint might be expensive, but since I hadn't used it much before, I felt justified to give it a purpose here. Layer by layer, I carefully applied these coats of white paint on most canvases. However, for those canvases that needed a specific background color for the image I had in mind, I opted for 2 coats of white paint instead. This helped ensure that the new artwork would truly shine. Once the canvases were dry and ready, it was time to unleash my creativity, of course. So, with a pencil in hand, I began sketching out the paintings I had envisioned. Sketching allowed me to gauge the size and placement of each element onto the canvas before fully committing to the painting process. And then came the moment I eagerly awaited. I dipped my paintbrush into the paint and began painting. Stroke by stroke, I brought the unique artistic visions to life, infusing each canvas with colors, emotions, and the essence of creativity. Anthropology often features gallery walls that showcase a beautiful array of art pieces in various sizes and styles. Sometimes all it takes is you taking a closer look at what they have and imagine all the things that you could use to achieve the same results, or somewhat similar at least. Have fun with it and don't stress too much, really. Everything you make is a work of art on its own, and there is no shame in making dupes, except, of course, if you were selling them in your shop and making a profit out of it, in which case you might get in trouble with copyright and IP issues. Yikes. Let's avoid that, shall we? I encourage my children to join in and paint with me at times because it makes them feel important to contribute to our home decor, but it also helps them stay calm for a while. My kids are super energetic, and if there's one thing that keeps them centered for a while, it's painting. When arranging the pieces, don't be afraid to let your imagination soar. Experiment with different layouts before settling on the final composition. Remember, your wall collage is a reflection of your artistic sensibility and should be a captivating story in itself. I usually lay all my art out on the floor or table first before committing to the layout onto the wall. Then I properly position one canvas and follow the others using the lines on the previous painting. Easy! Also, I don't like placing wall art in the center of walls like how they are traditionally done. I like breaking the rules and place them wherever I feel it makes more sense to me. You should try it. It's rebellious and fun. And if you hate it, well then just remove it and place it at the center again. No harm done, right? After all, I do use command strips for my paintings, so it's pretty easy to move them around. As we near the end of the episode, remember that the beauty of DIY art lies in the process as much as the final result. Embrace the imperfections, savor the journey, and be kind to yourself as you explore your creative talents. So there you have it, the journey of how these canvases transform from forgotten artworks into stunning pieces of revitalized art. I hope you enjoy watching this creative process unfold as much as I enjoyed bringing it to life. I hope this episode has ignited a spark of inspiration within you. Remember that the heart of Anthropology's charm lies not just within the products they offer, but the artful spirit they embody. A spirit that can be embraced by anyone willing to unleash their creativity. That concludes today's episode of Some Anthropology Dupe DIY Wall Painting. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my viewers. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Join me in our next episode as we continue to learn more about the business of fashion in our Fashion Business series. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep crafting, and keep making your abode a testament to the beauty of your soul. This is Seetal signing off from Seetal MD. I will see you next week. Take care. Have a great week and a great weekend ahead. Bye.